Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Knowledge. During the time duration of lockdown, I brought here some movies and TV series which are based on programming and Cipher techniques like Cipher. If you haven't watched these movies, then watch it. These are amazing movies. These movies not only entertain you, but also motivate you in programming. If you have any new movies which are based on programming, then you can share with me in comment section. Also, comment below which movie you like the most. If this video get 20 likes, then I will make another video about movies based on artificial intelligence or movies based on hacking. So, hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on bell icon. Whenever I will upload a new video, then you can get notifications. So, let's start the video. The first movie on the list is The Social Network. This movie was released in the year of 2010. The cast of this movie are Justin Timberlake, Jesse Eisenberg, Andrew Garfield. The director is David Fincher. The Social Network is a compelling movie that tells the story of Harvard student and programming genius Mark Zuckerberg, who would go on to create Facebook, and change the world forever. But, as you probably know, the story of Facebook's founding is full of dramatic interpersonal and legal complications. The Social Network is believed to be based on true events for the most part, although Zuckerberg has publicly disputed aspects of the movie in real life. Either way, most coders get a thrill from watching The Social Network, largely because the movie portrays the amazing feats one can achieve simply by learning a programming language. The whole movie is about how Facebook grew as a business and the various ups and downs it had to face. All the programming bits in the movie are on point, which earned it praises from both critics and moviegoers. I have already watched this movie and I enjoyed this movie. After watching this movie, I have tried to make a login web page of Facebook through HTML and CSS. Though it is not the perfect, but at that time I was beginner and I only knew a little bit of HTML and CSS. I also uploaded a video on this channel. I have provided the link in the description, you can watch from there. And if you haven't watched this movie then watch it. It's really a good movie, and I am sure you're definitely going to enjoy this movie. The second movie on the list is The Imitation Game. A fan of algorithms? Or you love thinking in numbers? Well, here is a movie made just for you. The director of this movie is Morten Tyldum. In The Imitation Game, Benedict Cumberbatch stars as Alan Turing, the genius British mathematician, logician, cryptologist and computer scientist who led the charge to crack the German Enigma code. Set in the World War II period, The Imitation Game portrays the life of Alan Turing and his team's struggle to invent the world's first computer which could decipher the famous German Enigma code, and eventually win the war for the Allies. Programmers will find this movie extremely engaging. In the end, Alan Turing, the protagonist of the movie, along with his team, was able to find a way to decode the German Enigma code. This scene may especially be of inspiration for the programmers. It is believed that the German Enigma code and invention of computers played a pivotal role in shortening the war and saving lives. Turing went on to assist with the development of computers at the University of Manchester after the war, but was prosecuted by the UK government in 1952 for homosexual acts which the country deemed illegal. So, I hope you will enjoy this movie. Let's move to another movie. If you are planning on startup or something like that, then this TV series is for you. Silicon Valley is an American comedy series about a small team of developers at an internet startup called Pied Piper. You watch them struggle to figure out their strategy, build their product, raise money, and take on Hulu, the tech giant that bears an obvious but superficial resemblance to Google or Microsoft. This HBO comedy series follows the life of computer programmer Richard and his friends, co-workers, housemates as they develop a compression program that could revolutionize the world. Loosely based on co-creator Mike Judge's experiences as a Silicon Valley engineer in the 1980s high-tech gold rush. The surprisingly realistic half-hour comedy gives an insightful look into the startup tech world, fickle venture capitalists and investment companies, plus the Silicon Valley bubble and the odd characters that live there. Beware of a lot of swearing and drugs, though. The comedy is found in all corners of Silicon Valley life, from the ridiculous amounts of money and status being lavished upon small teams of tech nerds, to the socially inept money men and tech founders found at the top of the corporate ladder. Silicon Valley completed its run in 2019 with its sixth and final season. The fourth movie on the list is Jobs. This is an American biographical drama film which was released in the year 2013, based on the life of Steve Jobs, the man who took Apple company to next level. The movie Jobs portrays important incidents in his life right from his college to the finding of the Apple iPod. A large majority of the movie revolves around how Apple became the business enterprise that it is today. The programming bit is fairly limited, but programmers and people, in general, may find the movie very inspirational and high quality. Steve Jobs was working for Atari and develops a partnership with his friend Steve Wozniak, Josh Gad, after he sees that Wozniak has built a personal computer, the Apple I. They name their new company Apple Computer, though there already is a company called Apple Records that is owned by the Beatles. The recreation of the iPod launch scene will give you goosebumps, and the way Ashton Kutcher played Steve Jobs is phenomenal. This is a highly recommended flick for programmers and Apple enthusiasts. The last movie on the list is Pirates of Silicon Valley. Pirates of Silicon Valley is one of the top-notch movie. This drama flick programming was directed by Martin Burke and was released in the year 1999. This movie is highly recommended for programming enthusiasts. This movie tells the story of early careers and professional lives of several key people. The film depicts several events that led to the personal computer revolution, how the personal computer was designed by giants like Microsoft and Apple. The movie is set throughout the 1970s, 80s, and 90s. It shows the methodologies Bill Gates of Microsoft and Steve Jobs of Apple used to develop their top-of-the-line personal computers. They had a great tussle before finally announcing their alliance in 1997. This American drama film that hit the screens in the year 1999. A true programming enthusiast would definitely spend some time to watch Pirates of Silicon Valley, as it shows the journey of developing the personal computer while exploring the competition between Jobs and Gates. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to know more movies which are based on programming or hacking or on artificial intelligence, then comment below. I aim 20 likes on this video. If this video get 20 likes, then I will make another video of movies based on hacking or artificial intelligence. If you know any other movies names, then you can share with me in comment section. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Watch these movies and share your review in comment section. I have tried something new in this video. I have put a quest in this video. I hope you will decode it. If you have decoded it, then comment below. And if you want more these kinds of quest, then share your ideas with me in comment section. Like this video, share with your friends and programmers mate. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so you can get notified whenever I upload any new video. We will meet in the next video. Until then, enjoy programming.